Tonight, Meta is warning it could cut off Facebook and Instagram access for New Mexico users as its legal battle with the state intensifies. It's after a Santa Fe jury ordered Meta to pay $375 million in civil penalties for violating state protection laws.
As Aaliyah Chavez reports, the state is pushing for some significant changes, and it could have major consequences for users across our state.
It's going to be a fascinating battle in the courtroom.
New Mexico Attorney General Raul Torres is asking a judge to order 28 major changes to Meta's platforms aimed at protecting children. Among them, blocking anyone under 13 from using the apps going forward, immediately deleting existing underage accounts, banning adults involved in child sexual exploitation after a single offense, and turning off features like infinite scrolling and autoplay for minors.
When Meta says these just aren't feasible, these just aren't possible, and we do a lot already to protect children.
Meta is pushing back hard, calling the state's demands technically impractical and impossible for any company to meet, warning that if no workable solution is reached, it could shut off access to its platforms in New Mexico altogether.
That is not going to actually satisfy or solve their long-term problem, because there are I think 42 or 43 other AGs across America who have similar claims.
Torres called the move on Meta's behalf a stalling tactic Thursday, saying the judge could reject all of the state's requests, approve some of them, or grant them in full. The state is also asking for an independent monitor to track Meta's compliance.
Stop infinite scroll for underage users. Stop autoplay. We know those addictive features are really having a harmful impact on kids.
Meta saying many of the safeguards the state is seeking are already in place, pointing to parental controls to limit screen time. The company says it already prompts teens to take breaks after an hour, makes their accounts private by default, and gives users the option to hide like counts.
Most likely this is a negotiating tactic to start off the discussions, but in the end, is that possible that Meta would exclude New Mexicans from accessing its programs? Technically, they could do it.
And that was Aaliyah Chavez reporting. This bench trial to determine whether Meta's platform is a public nuisance starts on Monday. Both Meta and the state will present their case. Then a judge alone, not a jury, will decide the outcome. If the judge orders changes, Meta would have the chance to appeal.